Hi, I'm Jen Hunter, the home editor for Wirecutter. Here's how I fold a fitted sheet. You'll want a large flat surface, like your bed or table. Start by laying the sheet out so that its elastic faces up. Position the shorter edges to your right and left, the longer sides on the top and the bottom. It should look like a rectangle. Now, turn to the left, and with your left hand, grab the corner that's closest to you. If your sheet has a second elastic like this one, you can ignore it. Flip that corner inside out over your hand so that your fingers are poking the corner seam. Now, grab the corner that's farthest from you and put your right hand inside until you hit that corner seam. Slide your left hand to meet your right, tucking one corner inside the other. Let's show you that one more time. Left hand grabs the corner closest to you, flips it inside out. Right hand goes into the pocket farthest from you. Your left hand's corner tucks into your right hand's corner. Keep your left hand stuffed into the sheet and straighten things out a bit with your right hand. Maybe shake it out a little. Set this side down with the elastic corner at the top left. Move on to the right side and mirror the same process. Find the corner nearest to you, and with your right hand, flip the corner seam inside out. Your left hand goes into the corner that's farthest from you. Tuck your right hand into the left. Straighten and shake it out a little once again. Try to lay it out as flat as possible. You should have a rough rectangle. It'll look slightly curved where the elastic is, and the bands should generally line up. Now, slide one hand into each of the pockets at the top. Bring your hands together so the tips of your fingers are touching, and flip your left side up and over the right. Here it is again. With one hand in each pocket, bring your hands together so the two corners touch, and flip. With your right hand still in the pocket, try to get all four elastic seams to line up. It helps to shake it out a bit and get the folds out. Once more, lay it on your surface so you have a loose square. You may have to do a little straightening. From there, fold it in thirds, rotate, and fold it in thirds again. Now you should have something that fits nicely in your closet or drawer, and it'll look a little neater too. For more videos, reviews, and advice, head over to wirecutter.com. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe.